Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of block jigsaw puzzle game. To know how to fix or how to find the solution about block jigsaw puzzle, you should just go to settings. In the first, you can go to apps and you can click on block jigsaw puzzle. You will enter here. Then you can click on first stop and you can click OK. After that, you'll enter to the window of storage. Here you can click clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can cause you errors or can delete your account. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.